We come to the very first keynote session of the day. And this is going to be a masterclass. Let me tell you why, and I think a lot of you may already know this. About 40% of jobs in India come under the SMB umbrella. And then it becomes obvious that effective hiring is so critical for a small and medium-sized business. Now, when we talk about our next speaker, well, he is someone who has been on a mission to empower the rising workforce of India. Because in today's competitive landscape, SMBs need to attract top talent and also retain it. Please put your hands together for Nirmit Parekh, CEO and founder, Apna. And as Nirmit joins us on stage, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about him. He, of course, has over a decade of experience in companies like Apple and Intel. He's a serial entrepreneur who is not just creating profitability, but also creating impact. It's over to you.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, Mumbai. How's it going? Good. Okay. So, hi, I'm Nirmit. I'm building Apna. Apna, we are India's largest hiring portal. And it has been a quick journey. We started almost 4 years ago. We are in the 4th year of our product. And if you look at the numbers, so we have, at this present, 5 crore job seekers. We are across 825 cities. North of 7 lakh plus employers trust Apna. And that means in 2023 alone, north of 2 lakh SMBs and north of 1,000 plus enterprises uses Apna. So if you look at Nifty, almost 50% of the Nifty 100 companies actually use Apna for their hiring needs. So before I start, I just wanted to quickly share a fun fact. I don't know how many of you know why have we named our company Apna? Any particular guesses from the crowd? Why do we call ourselves Apna? Okay, so it's an interesting story. I don't know how many of you watched this movie Gully Boy. Can I show a raise of hands? Okay, and how many of you heard the song Apna Time Aayega? So we are inspired by the Bollywood anthem Apna Time Aayega, and for folks who have not watched the movie, do watch the movie, because the protagonist is Murad. He dreams to be so he's born in a lower middle class family but has a lot of dreams, and he wants to be the music sensation for the country. And against all odds, when the entire world says tumse na ho paega, this person figures out to move ahead. And that's the spirit of Apna. So back 2019, while I was in the US, in San Francisco, me and my wife went to watch this movie. And at that point of time, I used to work for Apple before that. And what we realized while watching the movie is that today, India's SMB is nothing but the gully boy. So I will share a quick section of the movie, which I think so inspired us the most. Can you please play the movie? Yeah.
हम जैसा लोग के वास्ते जिंदगी इतना आसान नहीं है. हम लोग बड़ा कदम नहीं उठा सकते. कितनी बार तेरे को समझाया अपना मुंडी नीचे करके चलने का. ये दुनिया का जगमग अपना.
कभी आपने सोचा है कि शायद आप गलत सोचते, कि शायद आपने अपनी अक्खी जिंदगी बिता दी एक झूठ को मान के, कि अपने नसीब में यही है, कि अपना नसीब में सिर्फ कचरा पट्टी है बस.
नहीं, ये झूठ नहीं है. तेरे से ज्यादा चांद रात देखा है मैं. तेरे को वही सिखा रहा है जो मैं सीखा है. तेरा सपना तेरा सच्चाई से मेल खाना चाहिए.
मैं नहीं बदलता अपना सपना अपने सच्चाई से मेल खाने के वास्ते. मैं अपना सच्चाई बदलेगा जो मेरे सपने से मेल खाए.
So, for me, the dialogue, मैं नहीं बदलेगा अपना सपना अपने सच्चाई से मेल खाने के वास्ते. I would rather change my reality to match my dreams. So I think so that was very inspirational. And if we look at, say, like Murad, this millions of SMBs, right? They are going to be the champions of India's growth story. So all of these companies, right? So my dad runs an SMB. My granddad used to run an SMB. My mama, my uncle, maternal uncle runs an SMB. My kaka, my paternal uncle runs an SMB. So I come from a Gujju family. And all of this, when we started this company, there was always this thing that हम भी कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, हमारा company भी बड़ा होगा. And I know all of you, a bunch of folks in the crowd are SMB owners. And उसका भी, and आप लोगों का भी सपना है कि हम कल उठ के कुछ एक बड़ा business बनाएंगे. And that was the heart of why we decided to start building this product for our SMBs. So the way in Murad's life, there were a lot of enablers. Similarly, we as Apna want to be the enablers for a bunch of this SMBs. So, and all are these enablers who help this character go, and Apna wants to be this enabler. And the way we want to do this is by helping you hire better, hire fast. So let's talk about the biggest problem which Indian SMBs are facing. Before that, quick metrics. So SMBs are India's backbone, right? So we have 7 crore SMBs today in India. By the way, fun fact, 30% of GDP actually comes from SMBs of the country. This small, medium businesses, not the big enterprises. 19 crore jobs in 2023 alone were created from SMBs. 40% of India's workforce today is employed in SMBs. 4.2 crore women were employed by SMBs in 2023 alone. And the biggest segments, if you see for this SMBs, are food, e-commerce, and hospitality. So what are the biggest problem? And I think so Mike shared some of the biggest problem with recruitment was number 2. So I wanted to talk a bit about this. Why is hiring a big problem? First and foremost, right? As SMBs, we don't have an HR team, right? We generally have one person or generally owner by themselves is trying to hire. So we have limited budget and time. Of course, inadequate hiring today, if I cannot hire, I cannot do things. So inadequate hire results into either order loss, opportunity loss. The biggest question, well, when we were hiring is like, salary kitna dena hai, right? How do I know what is the right salary to pay? I don't have a team which is going to do metrics, right? So can I find the right salary inside the area? How do I beat the competition? How do I ensure that I get quality skilled employees? And how do I find employees near my office? I think so the biggest thing is I want people to be in the next 5 kilometers of my office. So that is what we are trying to do. So what we have built as Apna, we have basically ended up building an enterprise-grade solution at economical cost for SMBs. So let me quickly talk a bit about this, why SMBs love Apna. So first and foremost, some interesting metrics. So last year we had 2.1 lakh SMBs. This year we are again growing 4x, so we have been growing 4x. This year we can expect 8 lakhs SMBs to use Apna. 5 lakhs plus job posted from SMBs on Apna on 2023 alone. The female hiring in SMBs grew by 6x. 60 lakh plus candidates applied to only SMBs across the country on Apna. The popular roles which generally SMBs have seen hiring are telecallers, sales, BD, you see customer support, software engineers, finance, and marketing. So quickly, I want to talk about few interesting stories. So Sony Fashion is a small SMB running out of Rajkot, Gujarat. So what they did is they ended up buying a 10,000 rupee plan from Apna. They ended up hiring 30 candidates and basically across telecallers, designers, and their cost per hire came down to 300. So they were struggling to hire. They had a big order to be fulfilled, and they could get 30 candidates hired in just basically 10,000 rupees, and boom, it was done. Another story is Chinmay Mission Trust. They spent 20,000 rupees, and they ended up hiring again 20 candidates, HR, telesales, customer support. Their cost per hire turned out to be 1,000 rupees. And by the way, hiring on Apna, as soon as you post the job, within, and I will show the product in the next few minutes, within the first 10 minutes, you can actually start getting applications. Synergy is a company based out of Patna, Bihar, bought a 14,000 rupee SMB plan, and they ended up, and now they're just 3 months old, they ended up hiring 49 candidates, so the cost per hire comes down to be around 280 rupees. Sakshi Consultancy, again, Mumbai SMB, spent 15,000 rupees, ended up hiring 24 candidates across field sales and marketing, and the cost per hiring 615 rupees. So based on the type of the roles, we have seen the cost per hire be as less sub 1,000 rupees for these SMBs, and you can hire within 24 hours. So if I look at Mumbai today, and this was the data we pulled today morning from the portal, in Mumbai, we are in Goregaon. So at this very present, around north of 400 SMBs are hiring across Goregaon. Then let's start looking around Kurla, Andheri. We find 500, 600 SMBs hiring today, this morning. Can we just look at all the Mumbai data, please? So this is what is happening in Mumbai right now across SMBs, how many jobs are currently live exactly today morning on Apna. So let me show you how this works. I will show you a quick demo, please. Yeah. So let's say you are searching for, I'm trying to hire for a field sales executive in Mumbai. Can we pause for a minute? Yeah. With 4 lakh salary. So you just type in natural language, whom you are looking for, and do generate search. So automatically based on your search, we will find, because different companies use different job titles, we'll find what are the most relevant job titles. We'll show it to you. You can always add or remove job titles. Automatically city was Mumbai because that was your search query. And you said that I want people 12 pass and above, 4 lakhs for the salary, and the experience was 6 months. And you go search candidates. So let's look at live. Okay. So basically we see 6.5 lakh candidates in Mumbai in field sales role totally. By the way, Apna has a user base of 50 million and counting. And let's look at, and this is how detailed each of this profile is going to be. You can always go double click on a profile. And you can see everything about the profile. And if you want, you can download a CV and we can view phone numbers. By the way, you don't get charged anything till you see a profile. If you want to only contact a candidate, that is where we end up charging you a money. Similarly, another interesting problem as we were trying to build this product, where we started talking to our customers, which we realized that humko field sales wala to chahiye, but we want somebody with some experience. For example, somebody is running an agency to sell, a distributor agency to sell FMCG things. Oh, I want somebody with an FMCG experience. Yeah, mujhe field sales chahiye, but somebody who has sold credit cards. So we started, Apna has currently, so India has 60 million SMBs and enterprises totally. Each and every registered SMB of the country is now segmented based on the industry. So you can say, I'm looking for a South Indian cook, and we will find you people who are cooking in South Indian restaurants. So that level of segmentation of every single company inside India which gets registered, we have built that database. So you can go and search that. Another thing, I think so when we were now, once we build the industry filter, for our beloved SMBs, they said, can you figure out a way that I can find people exactly within 5 kilometers? Because attrition kam ho jata hai. Because dur se log aate, then they will leave the job much easily. So then we started building filters for location. So you can go up to a pin code in Apna. So you go Goregaon East, Goregaon West, and let's apply the filter. So out of 6.5 lakh profiles, it got converted to 50,000 profiles who are exactly in Goregaon East and Goregaon West, whom you can hire. And then you go and quickly select whom you like. And then you can just go and send a bulk WhatsApp. That's it. Most of the people connect very well on WhatsApp, no email, nothing. Just go and just send a bulk WhatsApp. You can put your role, run a campaign, and boom, your message goes, and a person can respond with a yes and a no. And if they say yes, that is where you spend your time talking to the person. Now, when I say enterprise-grade solutions, what I mean to say is, it is not only the product is enterprise grade, we also have dedicated account managers for SMBs. So one account manager takes care of 20 SMBs dedicatedly, and we have a live chat and call support. So that's what we have built. And of course, along with database search, we have a job posting, which again works with this industry matching and all these filters. And very quickly, I know we have a bunch of friends here, so we have 30% off for any new business signups that come. Today, please come at our booth. And one thing which I would do is I would ask you to do, if you have a query, just go to the booth and say, this is my biggest hiring problem right now. Can you hire for me? They will do a search query for you. You can do 15, 20 WhatsApp and see automatically your hiring will actually be done. And then you can actually try the product, trust the product, and see if this makes sense. Again, folks, the idea is we are going to drive growth for the country. And I think so India's growth story, for us to be a $10 trillion economy, which we all are aiming for in the next decade, we can only be if the SMBs of the country grow. That's it. So I'm excited for your growth, and we would love to work with you as you grow. Thank you so much for your time, and I enjoyed having a conversation with you.
Thank you very much indeed, Nirmit. And the house is now open for questions. If there's any audience member who has a question for Nirmit, we're ready to take them. And while we wait, all right, there's a question right there. Can we get the mic, please?
Any discounts for existing customers?
Sorry?
Any discounts for existing customers?
Okay, we'll do discounts on existing customer or align. Yes, we'll do that.
That has to be an SMB founder. Rena always looking for an edge. One more question right there.
The interface of Apna app looks very similar to Hirect. So is this the same company, something?
Which app? Hirect?
Yeah, Hirect.
No, they are different companies. I think so. Similarly, the way you have a LinkedIn, you have a Naukri, there are multiple companies, but we are the biggest in terms of the user base.
I think the section is also different because you are providing for SMBs and people like at a lower level, but Hirect is different. But the interface was same, so that's why I was confused.
Okay, yeah.
Thanks for that. Can we get the question to the lady? Yeah, all right. After this, one more question. So, to the left. Yeah. Go ahead. Please.
Hi, it was a very great speech. My name is Advitya. I was very curious. How are you tackling your competitors? Like, there's Naukri.com out there. That's huge.
Yes.
And Indeed is out there. IM Jobs. Like, they're like out there.
Right.
Very recently, I heard about Apna, but that was like in April or something.
Yeah.
But how are you tackling the competition?
No, I think so. Very brilliant question, and I will spend time answering this one because given when we started 4 years ago, we also started with a dream. And see, hiring market has always been there inside the country. There have been solutions, and I'm a big fan of what a couple of companies like Naukri has done. I think so. They have amazing work. Having said that, we also saw the product not evolving. So let me share a quick story. While this thing was happening in San Francisco, I was watching this movie. My dad, who runs an SMB, had a lot of hiring problems. So I actually ended up building a quick solution for my dad. And this product started to become viral. We started getting users. So let's look at the user base, right? I think so the answer lies in the user base. Today, Apna has, last week we had 51 million users. I think so this week we should be 55. So in the last 4 years, we have touched 0 to 55 million users. That means we are one of the fastest growing professional jobs platform, not only in India, but also in the world, in terms of the growth. If you look at, we have 2x the user base of Twitter. If you look at Naukri, in the last 26 years, I think so they've accumulated around 80, 90 million users, and many of the users, I'm assuming, would be stale by now. This is all fresh user base. So if you look at freshers, 7 out of 10 freshers start their career inside the country using Apna. So I think so there's always a space to build a better product and win. Again, I think so hiring is a big problem for the country, and jobs is also a big problem. So I would actually wish more and more competition to come so that we can actually solve the country's problem. Because at the end of the day, I think so it is going to take a village to solve for unemployment inside the country. So I'm all in for a lot of fair competition coming to the market. It's going to help the customers at the end of the day. We have been able to decrease the hiring cost, I think so significantly by 60% compared to any other competitor. The only reason we were motivated to do that, because there is competition. So I think so I'm very happy there's competition inside the country.
That's
Great answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Beautifully articulated as well. One final question, sir, in the front, the lady.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So my question to you is, what role does employer branding play in attracting top talent through online and how can small business enhance their presence right now?
Okay, I think so. This is a brilliant question.
Thank you.
I have been through that with helping my dad and my uncle's hire before building Apna. I think so. Employer branding is going to play a very major role. So as soon as you go and do a job posting on Apna or you search for something on Apna, basically, of course, you'll find profiles. But why would somebody like to work for you? So one or two very interesting hacks which we have done and we have seen work so far is a lot of times when you send the job posting to the candidate via WhatsApp, like one has whatever search or somebody applies to your job, you basically send them photos of the workplace, send them some Google reviews, so people build trust. And I think so building trust is a very important thing. So make sure that people understand how you can build trust for your workplace, that it's a stable workplace, you get salaries on time. A lot of times, I don't think so people need more when they want to try to find a job in SMBs. Can I get my salary on time? If you can go and help prove that, I think so that is important. And we have seen companies who are able to go and build that layer of trust with the candidate have been able to have conversion rates like 10x better than companies which have not been able to do it. So I don't think so employer branding, you need to really spend a lot of money on branding. It is just when you go and connect with the candidate, how can you go and build a trust? A lot of times having a very nice conversation. I've seen HRs a lot of times have conversations where like, okay, if you want a job, you come, versus we would love you to come and just do that, go one extra bit, and I think that would solve for it. India, I think so a lot of times people feel, if you look at India, it's a social DNA, like social fabric of India, the culture piece is very important. प्यार से आप दो चीज बात करोगे ना, लोग आपके लिए जान भी दे देंगे.
Absolutely. Thank you so very much for taking on all those questions. And thank you, everyone. I'm afraid we're running behind schedule, so can't address more questions. Feel free to connect with our speaker backstage or later today. I'd like to request Eugene and Surabhi to please join us on stage to present Nirmit with a small token of our appreciation. Nirmit, please do come towards the center.